Today we're going to show you how we diagnosed our block heater in our 7.3 Power Stroke. So come on!
You're playing your cards with your queen of hearts. When everyone folds, your fork still holds. You're placing your bet, showing no regret. Close your eyes to hide your lies. Roll the dice. You got me tiptoeing around.
The first thing we need to do is show you where this element is located on the truck.
Everyone know not to trespass, but you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. You're playing it cool, bending all the rules. Talking too loud, and you're
I decided instead of crawling around under the truck, I'd show you how to diagnose the block heater up here. And to do that, you'll need an ohm meter. So inside the block heater, there's 2 pins. You see them there? So when you have your meter set to ohms, like so, you take a lead and you put it on each pin. And it should say 15. If you find your block heater is out of spec, you're going to need to go and drain all the coolant out of the engine before you unbolt this. However, we found ours to be good, so all we needed to do is replace the cord that goes to it. So that's how we diagnosed our block heater. So if you found this video to be helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. Until next time.